Hop into the 2019 Honda CR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, aluminum wheels. Give yourself the upgrade you deserve. Get into the Honda CR-V and drive well. We'll put you behind the wheel today.